U.S. stocks rebounded on Thursday as investors looked to a slew of high-profile earnings and Friday's key jobs report. The Dow climbed 1%, the S&P 500 added 1.25%, and the Nasdaq rose 1.3%. Shares of Meta Platforms, which closed up 1%, soared in after-hours trading as the social media platform issued its first-ever dividend days ahead of the company's 20th anniversary. It also reported revenue that beat Wall Street's expectations. Amazon shares, which ended almost 3% higher, continued their rise after the close as it too reported fourth-quarter revenue that beat estimates. Brad Bernstein, managing director at UBS Private Wealth Management, says tech will continue to outperform other sectors in 2024, despite shares of Alphabet, AMD, and Microsoft falling earlier this week after those companies reported earnings.
We believe tech has the best growth of any sector in the global markets this year, 16, 17%, primarily backed by the beneficiaries of AI. Specifically within tech, we like software and semis. I wouldn't make the year around one day's volatility after an earnings announcement. What we've seen so far out of tech is beats on revenue and earnings. And if stocks rallied into those numbers, it's often normal to see stocks sell off, after they report.
Time will tell if that's true for Apple. Shares of the iPhone maker, up more than 1% at the close, slid after the bell. The tech giant, whose shares have lagged others in the Magnificent Seven, reported sales and profit that beat Wall Street estimates, but China sales missed analyst targets. Data this week showed further evidence of a softening labor market, which is expected to be confirmed by the closely watched non-farm payrolls report for January, due out Friday.